Courage is when someone is brave enough to do something no one else would think of doing.
Doing something you don't want to do, but do it anyway.
Some way to benefit humanity, some way to help for the greater good.
Courage is trying something new, whether it be big or small, or important or unimportant.
Courage, besides just being a cool sounding word, is the ability to go beyond the normal limits and boundaries that most people just won't.
It's overcoming a fear that's kept you from doing something you haven't done before.
Overcoming a fear no matter how small or big it is.
Bravery to stand up for what is right.
Courage is having the strength to stand up for what's right.
So,
What
Do
You
think
Courage
is? Come out on MLK Day and visit the Hollister Community Fair Monday, January 16th, 1 to 4. Bring your friends, bring your enemies, your neighbors, your relatives. We got plenty to do. Arts and crafts, great food, local band performances, and stories of courage from all over the community. Come and see the amazing bike-powered sound system. Bring in children's books, kindergarten through 6th grade reading level. Also bring in canned food. For more information, visit www.cmap.tv/MLK-Day. Hollister Community Fair, where there's fun everywhere.